In this video, I will show you how to tell if someone has remote access to your iPhone. So, let's get started. If you suspect your iPhone has been hacked or accessed remotely, here are a few signs to watch for. Number 1. Increased data usage. Check your data usage in the Settings app. A noticeable spike could mean an app is accessing the internet while your phone is idle. Number 2. Overheating. If your iPhone feels hotter than usual, it could mean a malicious app is running in the background. Number 3. Unfamiliar apps. If apps you don't remember installing appear on your home screen, it's possible someone has installed a malicious program on your device. Number 4. Rapid battery drain. While battery life naturally decreases over time, an unusually fast drain could indicate suspicious activity. Number 5. Unusual colored dots. Colored dots. In the status bar, show recent use of your camera, green, or microphone, orange. While these are normal for apps like Camera, Maps, or Instagram, seeing them when you haven't opened any relevant apps could be a warning sign of remote access. In summary, stay alert for any unusual activity on your device. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.